Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to show you the traveling infinity scarf. It arrived to me, I would say, either right before Christmas or right after Christmas. It might have been after Christmas. Things have been so hectic here. So I have added my part to it, and this was being put on by Seta over at Seta's place, and she was so kind as to let me join in on this, and it was a lot of fun. So I want to show you my part of it. This is my section that I crocheted. This is half double crochets. I used a 5mm hook, and I'm looking down to get the ball that I used. I used this, I think it's loops and threads. I don't have the tag. I believe it's loops and threads wavelength is the color. And it's a variegated, just it kind of gets a little bit darker. But yeah, so I used this for my part of the Traveling Infinity scarf. And I am in the second group. So that is what I have added. Now I will be getting a hold of Seta so that she can let me know where to send it next. So thank you so much, Seta, for letting me participate. I really enjoyed it. And thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you on the next video.